The Whiskey Cherry Cobbler. In an old-fashioned glass, add 2 teaspoons of cherry simple syrup, 7 dark cherries, and 4 orange slice quarters. Muddle these together, then fill your glass with crushed ice and add 2 ounces of a good whiskey, 1 dash of orange bitters, 2 dashes of chocolate bitters. Give the cocktail a stir, then add a splash of club soda. Garnish with an orange slice, a couple of chocolate mint leaves, and 2 bourbon-soaked cherries. Congratulations, you have just mixed the Whiskey Cherry Cobbler from MartiniDiva.com. Cheers and enjoy.